what it looks like straight out the window as I wake up this morning. Wow. There's a tractor trailer going down the road.
Hi y'all. So our tree right beside our house is like cut in half from the storm that we have had. And so our basketball hoop is like the only thing that's keeping it up. Here's the tree. And it's already split up there. Right on there. Here's where it started splitting, right here. I'm gonna move the cars and hope that it goes the opposite way as the house, and then we'll deal with it. Most likely. I don't know exactly, but yeah. So that's not good, but it is what it is.
Okay, so according to that, it's only about 32 back here. Maybe 33. Out there though, we definitely have stuff melting. Lots of wetness in here. As you can see, they've already gone through quite a bunch of firewood. And we haven't lost power at all, so hopefully the firewood continues to maintain while we get through this nasty weather. Oh, darn it, I let the cat in. And this is why we have a mudroom. To store buckets of water. To leave boots and everything lying all around. Oh, thank you. And we've got more boot shoe mess back there.
And you got someone in shorts.
Yep. There's Alex putting on her boots. I went outside in shorts and a hoodie.
That room right there.
So, it's pretty just nasty. This is mostly just rain with some ice and damage on the ground. I gotta figure out how to get that down. Yeah. Let's see how bent the basketball goal is. Charlie's staying out of this nastiness. Doubt it, but maybe Charlie will want these.
It's like...
Hi, Eritrea.
Oh, my battery's dead. Then I can drag it over there and put it in the burn pile.
And you totally ignored me with my offer of your nice winter gloves that I've gotten you for Christmas that you never want to wear. Completely ignored me.
Oh, I did not hear you.
I was standing here holding them out to you and you looked at me.
I never even saw them.
Alright, we'll see how long he keeps them on.
Damn.
Alright, good job. I'll have to figure out what to do about this thing too. Just a couple of days ago, they were eating green grass out there. Dogs keep cows out of the way. Gotta feed these ones in the barnyard too. Oh, and here come the dogs. Stay over there. And I'll make sure the cows stay over there, out of the way, until Nicholas is done. They are good about that. Okay, so he rolled some of that bale out. Now he's gonna give the rest of it to the goats and the cows in the barnyard. And the dogs are still making sure that the cows stay over there out of the way.
Thank you!
You're welcome!
Alright, do you need help putting this back up?
Nope.
Alright.
Alright, fence is back up here. Alright girls, let's go! Let the cows have their food. Ducks are hanging in there. We certainly could have put more shavings in there for them. We really didn't buy enough. Okay, I can hear it clicking, so it's back on. Cows and goats in the barnyard are certainly happy to have some hay. Turkeys are doing okay. Again, they could have used more shavings. That's good. We do keep a heat lamp in here with them because they're turkeys. And they just don't like to stay alive. Wow, it is a mess and cold out there. My hands are freezing. I gotta go get Ryan to move his truck because Charlie's gonna move that tree out of the way now. All right, we can get back to the house easily now.
Yeah, what's that?
Amelia made Rice Krispie treats. These two are taking naps.
Step into the new when you drive a Chevy. It's time for a fresh approach and a new perspective. Meet new friends or reconnect with some old
little
ones.
feet.
And find new roads. Step into the new with a new Chevy. Very well qualified by.
I'll never forget when it first happened.
These guys are eating their Rice Krispie treats.
Where you sitting, Mom?
I guess I'm sitting beside Ryan. I'm getting ready to play a card game. We got a visitor in the house.
You want me to take him out or can you just sit on a chair?
I guess you've already been letting them sit on a chair, so.
Except for, no, yeah, every card.
Aces are high.
Yep. Twos or lows.
Good. And basically, you figure the card that Mom puts over
10.
is the it's the what's it called?
Did you beat it?
And Fred's off exploring.
The room?
Charlie got home late last night, trying to beat the storm so he didn't get stuck in Louisiana or Alabama or Georgia. And look what he brought. He brought all that deliciousness. So there's crayfish, whoops, and corn, shrimp.
And very little sausages in there if there are still any.
Yeah, they probably ate all the sausages already. But the kids are all very much enjoying that. Low country boil. I don't know if they call it low country boil in Louisiana though. That's what we call it here in South Carolina because we have low country. What do they call it in Louisiana, Charlie?
Same thing.
Same thing, really.
Yep.
Okay, where's Fred?
Fred's over there behind you. Right there, on the floor, behind you. Oh. And in all of this storm, we haven't had much snow. But we're finally getting a little bit tonight before it's all over and done with. It's beautiful to watch, and I could definitely watch that all day long. That's the thing I miss about snow. I mean, yes, I like being out in it and all of that, but I love just the peacefulness of watching it. And unfortunately, we don't get to see that nearly enough. And even though I don't get to see it nearly enough, I am so grateful for the opportunity to see it today. So thank you for that blessing, Lord.